was the sawal also in the
exam.
extents. So we have one extent. Sir? So only one extent. There was sawal in that one. How many extents you can have?
How many extend in class؟ هذه واحد هو object بس أنا wrong answer.
You said many?
إي والله. Object, yes, I know. After exam.
Yes. Okay, so we need another baba. So this is direct or strong relationship. Okay, so we need another baba. What to do? Okay, and if we need another baba, for example, so what we can do? So this is basically super class. And this is subclass. So any subclass can have only one superclass. But what about if we need another something like a superclass? So he can use interface.
Keyword this?
Yes. Interface is like a
Object?
superclass. Like a superclass. But what you can do, what you can have inside, you can have only
Extend يعني.
abstract method and constants. So inside the interface you can have only abstract method and constants. So this is basically implements. Okay. So for example, if this is class A, this is B, and this is an interface C. So how you write in Java? You write, of course, you will write class A, but then you will have this. And for interface, you will write interface C, and by then you will have here what you will have abstract method.
Inside that
Abstract method, and method with only signature or slash and constant. So in the interface you can have abstract methods or and whatever you call it constants. Now how you will create class B? So class B, you will say extends A, right? And then how you will create this relationship? You will say implements C. Okay? Clear? So class A is a superclass and interface is another superclass like a superclass. Okay? And you want to make a relationship from B to A as well as B to the interface C. So you will write class B extends A implements C.
دكتور what mean interface no interface يعني same word هذا interface كمبيوتر هذا نفسه كلمة ولا معنى ثاني another mean this desktop interface program interface
similar concept you can have.
benefit حقه هذا ايش
benefit is that
breakdown class how many up
yes, and common functionality you can put it in the interface and then the class will override. Like for example Samsung Jawal. Okay, so Samsung Jawal fi kullu Jawal fi processor tamam fi for example RAM, okay, fi RAM, for example camera
operating system
and OS. So these are all you can write an interface known as properties. Okay, so these are all interface called property. Now you will create a class Samson S4. Now feed another class, let's say Samson. So this is the Samson S4 is a child of Samson, and phi interface with any properties you kalam here. So now here Samson S4 has to kalam ish processor. So here all these methods must be overridden, just like an abstract class. So processor, yeah, CE. So you have to override CE to S4.
هذا extend من interface نوع من super class صح؟
So this is extend. So here what you do, reuse code, and with the extend you take the code. Now here what you do, you override the methods. And these methods, there is no body, just like an abstract method, because they are abstract methods. Okay? So you cannot put all this in one class. So you can make an abstract, you can make an interface. So Samson, all the features that you think common in all the Javalat, you put it in the Samson parent class. Now S4 will take all the common thing from Samson, and then these behavior he will override. So he will say processor is H, huwa kalam. RAM is come, huwa kalam. Camera come, huwa kalam. In the same way, if you have another class, for example, i4, i3, or what do you call it in the
Samsung S1.
No, this is another, for example. Let's say this is iPhone 4, for example. Now you can again combine this with this. This is the good thing with the interface. You create one interface and you can combine with several classes. Because iPhone 4 also have the nafs feature. So you can combine this also. So interface you can write one time and you can join with different classes. So here you basically provide the common behavior without implementation. Implementation is not there. Implementation will be here.
هي like class بس general هذا.
Yes, like a class by general, and there is no method here. There is no normal method. Kullu is abstract method.
Abstract.
This is the
بس
good
هو
thing.
can use any.
Yes, you can use any, and you can have like extend also. And for example, let's say you have you have this is an interface. Okay, this is I1. This is an interface, and you have a method here A and B. Tamam? And there is another interface here. This is also interface. We write interface like this, okay, I2. And here you have C and D. Now these two are interface. Tamam? And you have a class here. This is what? This is interface. Okay, these two are interface. Now this is a class. Now, so you link it with these two. And suppose this is class C. So how you will write this? You will say class C implements
I2.
both I1 but then comma I2. So one class might have more than one interface. Extend is only one, and you cannot kalam A but then B. No. Extend is only for one, but implement can be one or more than one.
هذا relationship هذا صح؟
أيوة. So ish meaning here. The meaning is this C has to kalam ish PA. The body will be given in the C. In the same way for B, you will give the implementation here. In the same way for C, yani the class C will implement kullu method for interface wahid as well as for interface
يعني شيل المثل من
أيوة.
I1 و I2.
both. لازم
or money too انت next I1 I3 I2
anything, any. All the methods, it will be overridden in the C.
Most all, huh?
All, but it has to be overridden.
No choose.
Or you can make it abstract. If you make it abstract, then the child of C will override. So this is the idea of interface. And this is very powerful in Android, in other programming, Katir interface is used. Because you know, extent is Wahid. When you are developing large system, you will just put one extent. But interface is Katir.
نفسه family هو نفسه
Right.
بس
So interface can be, you know, lot of interface you can use. So
any smartphone
any smartphone. So the functionalities you will define in the interface, and what the functionality do, you do it in the class. So the class which connects the interface, he will write the functionality. As I have given you misal, that C, when he connect I1 and I2, so HB A, HB B, HB C, HB D, kullu lazim implement in the C.
implement like execute صح execute
Implement means the code.
execute and execution
No, not execute. Implement means
create
create.
build
Okay.
إنشاء
So there is a misal given. I will just show you. Yeah, I can lost.
كيف مثال تبغى مثال ما شاء الله تبارك الله سمارت كلاس ها close انت you want light
No, because you don't want, so I'm just trying to close it. Online. Okay, let's take this example to understand.
خلاص تعدينا بس
So,
اي والله يا عمري ارجوك
okay, so you see here we created an interface known as mobile feature.
الحمد لله
So this is the interface mobile feature. Okay, how you create the interface? Of course, when you say new, fill in a Java interface. Come on. So here you see we don't write body, we just kalam. H is not process method bus. What is return type? That's it. We don't write the implementation. And just like this, we don't have this body. So in the interface, we don't write any body. So for example, if you try to put a body, he will give you error. See?
because the interface
Yes,
صح
because it's the
abstract
interface. So yeah, in the interface, you don't have any normal method.
abstract normal abstract you have normal method
Yes, in abstract you have normal method. So here you have processor, memory, camera, and OS version, for example. This is constant. Okay. Now you have a mobile, and in the mobile class you have company name, maybe this Samsung, maybe this iPhone or BlackBerry, whatever, and you have an ID. Then you have a constructor here, a two-string method. Now we write here brand A. Okay, brand A may be anything. So you can write like, for example, this is Samsung S4. What accessories? It is here. Now if you see here, it is having extend and it is having implement. So extends and implement both. So his main baba is this, and suppose you can say like his uncle is mobile feature. So he has to now override all these. So you see here, processor, you are overriding it. Then memory, you are overriding it. Camera, you are overriding it. And then OS detail, you are calling the constant. What is this? OS
3.5
is the constant here. So how you call the constant? You call the constant by name of the interface dot name of the interface. Name of the interface is what? Mobile feature. So you will say
كول
interface name dot, it will give you all. Any constant it has, it will give you. And then you are calling the toString method.
All method, huh? Most, huh?
All the method must. And for example, if I delete this method, so he will give me an error. Why? Because we don't have override of, you see here, he says implement all abstract methods. So when you click, he will give you, where is the one? Which one he gave you? Processor. Okay? He gave you here. So delete this. Now then you will create the object. It's a node 4. And this is Samsung this. And then you call the method node4.processor, node4.memory, node4.camera, node4.os details. So he will give you all. So when you run, he will give you all the data. What is the name of the company, mobile ID, accessories, span, processor 2.5, memory this, camera resolution, OS video this. Okay? Now all the three concepts are linked, extend and implement. So what we understand that now you can combine this interface with some other class if you want. For example, you have another class here. We'll say class brand B, and this is extends mobile and then implements mobile feature. So he will give you error again because you have not override the method. So you will just click and you will say implement all. See, processor comes, memory comes, camera comes, to do it. All the one you define in this interface. Okay? And then you can continue. Why is giving the error? Because of the super. So you will have something like this. This is what you will do. So you will put the constructor here, you will put B here. And suppose there is nothing here, no accessory, so delete this. And then delete this. So this company
method special is.
Yeah, this is a constructor. And here you will call the super father. Okay? So processor you will write exactly the same as it is here. So you need to write what is the processor, what is the memory, what is the camera. All this you need to write here also. As per that mobile. Okay? So this is the main idea of interface. So what we understand that when we are writing large application, we will see some method we cannot give the implementation, and we need those methods to be used to be override in different classes. So we can make those methods in the interface. So we will create an interface and we will put those methods, those behavior there.
Same behavior.
Same behavior. So whoever we want to link, we can link. How? By using the implements. We will say implements.
Name of
Name
interface.
of the interface. So now that class has to override these methods. Okay. So this is the main idea of
Interface.
interface. If you see the slide, there are some examples given. Yes. Yes.
هو like inheritance but new feature.
No, inheritance, you are reusing the code. Here you are not reusing the code, you are rewriting the code. You are just reusing the structure,
أيوة صح.
signature. So there is a big difference. Using inheritance, you
Reuse code.
reuse the code, but using interface, you don't reuse the code.
Rewrite itself
Yeah, you
automatically at home.
Yeah.
12
Number
14
14.
13 ايش؟ study 13
No, 13 we will study after this. Okay, so I will. So this is interface. So interface is like a class which contain abstract method and constant. Okay. So suppose there is an interface eatable, any akal, eatable, something you eat. So there is a method how to eat. So this method is module. Because fi katishe, fi apple tarikatani, fi dujjaj tarikatani, fi lahan tarikatani. So what you will do, you will make an interface eatable and you will kalam how to eat. So dujjaj will kalam, for example, barbecue, right? Roasted.
Mandi,
And apple will say make apple juice or whatever. So every class will kalam. Lion will kalam how to eat. No, he will kalam. No, I cannot. No, nobody eats lion. Maybe some, but we don't eat lion. Right? So let's take the misal. So you will write eatable and kalam here how to eat. So what you have here, if you show fi animal class and fi hina condition mawjood, fi chicken extend animal, implement eatable. Why? Because we eat chicken. So chicken is animal and how to eat fi hina method mawjood. So here you will say chicken fry it or barbecue it or eat it. Fi hina tiger. Tiger bardo extend animal, but we don't eat. So we don't write this here. It is not that kullu kalam lazim. Tamam? Now fi hina apps show fruit, implement eatable. ليش هو هنا abstract?
ما في كلاس صح؟
Why you have abstract here?
نساعد
Because every fruit is different. How you eat banana, you have to pile up and then eat. Apple, wash, clean and then eat. Or you make apple juice, banana, you make something else. So that is why you make the class abstract here. Because you have eatable. If you don't make it abstract, you have to override other method, how to eat. Why we put abstract here? Because we don't want how to eat to be hina. We want the walad of fruit to override. Right or not? You understand or not? So now apple extend fruit. So now apple lazim kalam kef eat. So you will say apple, make apple cider for example. Orange is also fruit. So again you need to override how to eat. So here you will say orange, okay, make orange juice. So here, why we put abstract here? Why we don't just write class fruit? If we say class fruit, because of this, we have to override the how to eat here, which does not make sense. Because fruit, every fruit you eat in a different way.
Yes.
So you will make this fruit class abstract. So you don't need to override the how to eat here. Okay? So you will not override here. Who will override? The walad or the children of the fruit will override. So that's why when you have here class apple which extend fruit, so now it is a must for apple to override how to eat. And this is what he's doing. Okay? Now, see here chicken. Chicken is a normal class. It's not an abstract. So how to eat is a must here. So in the same way, if you remove the abstract, then how to eat lazim you have to override here. But we don't want to override because every fruits are different. Okay? So I think I stop here.
اي والله استوعب.
And usually constant we write like this, and abstract method we write like this. But sometimes you may write also like this, there is no problem. Why? Because Java knows interface, you can have constant and method, abstract method. So if you just don't write abstract keyword, it is also fine. But it is recommended that you will actually write like this. Okay?